Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy Step by Step Curry Prep. So today we're going to prepare chicken breast for a dish. So first of all, obviously take out the packaging. If it's in the packaging, look out for any bones. Our ones does have bones. Take the ones off. Then we're going to wash. Now, I'll end the debate of whether you should wash chicken or not. Kind of tired hearing people arguing you should or you should not. Basically, if you're washing the chicken to reduce bacteria, you're wasting water and time. Stop that. What the only reason you should be washing the chicken is to get rid of any excess blood, any fur, any human hair, which is rare. But what's common is bits of bone, broken bones, chips of bones, which is not good to have in the dish, obviously for obvious reasons. And also the other common thing is chips from the wood chips from the butchers, obviously big chopping tables and stuff like that. So yeah, so we washing it like that. Just you can wear gloves, or if you don't have gloves, just wash your hands properly with antibacterial hand wash, and afterwards obviously wipe and scrub the area, your sink area, with antibacterial spray, and then after that it should be fine. So we're gonna we're gonna make them into cubes. They're not going to be that symmetrical because it doesn't need to be. So you could do it the size I'm going to do it if you're making, chicken tikka or biryani, or if you want to make it a bit bigger, if it's chicken tikka, you can do. It's totally up to you. If you're making like chicken wrap or something, just make it smaller, cut it smaller. Anyway, as you're cutting it, obviously as safety comes first, just take your time. No need to act like a professional. Just take your time so you don't have any injuries, and just cut away. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.
Islam is the best religion I have never seen. That's why I'm proud from being a Muslim. Islam is the best religion I have never seen. That's why I'm proud from being a Muslim. Misingi yake na nguzo zake